Lot 249, the 1974 Porsche 911 Carrera 2.7 MFI Coupe, where MFI signifies a 73 RS 2.7 liter motor with the responsive Bosch mechanical fuel injection system. This car has been refinished in its original lime green, but it has been preserved so well that the original black interior remains in outstanding condition. The ducktail spoiler, the big Carrera graphics, this is a 70s icon, the 1974 Porsche 911.
Thank you very much, Alan. I love the colour of this 911. What do we say, ladies and gentlemen? That's up to bidding at $150,000. 100? 150? Thank you. 150. 200? 200? Thank you already. 250, thank you. That's $250,000 I have. Do I have $300,000? $275,000. Do I have $300,000 now? We're at $275,000. It's with the commission bid selling all the way, ladies and gentlemen. That's $275,000. $300,000 on the internet. You've got to love modern technology. At $300,000. $320. Are you sure? Are you positive? Just checking. At $320 I have. Do I have $340,000 now? We're at $320,000. Do I have $340,000 anywhere in the room? Well, at $320,000, and I'm selling the car, ladies and gentlemen. The Kermit Green 911. Thank you. $340,000 with RJ. RJ's bid at $340. Internet bid at $340. Sharing is caring, RJ. You can share with the internet at $340,000. It's on the internet and selling all the way, ladies and gentlemen. It's going for the first time. At $340,000, it's selling for the second time. Third and last time at $340,000. Well done, all finished. Sold. Internet bid $340,000. 8. I like these internet numbers. 8. Never heard one of those before. You? No.
Lot 250.